Why are you here?
Because we got a call about an allegation of verbal disturbance going on. That's why we're here.
You're what?
We got a call about a verbal disturbance going on.
Okay.
Yeah,
as far as what? So I'm being abused, but yet I'm going to get taken away.
We're not saying you're getting taken away. We're trying to find out what happens.
May I leave the premises?
No.
May I leave the premises?
No.
No, ma'am.
Really?
Yeah. Right now we're in the middle.
Why?
We're in the middle.
Why?
Ma'am?
We're right in the middle of an investigation.
Investigation of
yes,
what?
Ma'am. Okay.
Is this just some kind of
Not
show?
No.
No, that's not what we're saying. Okay.
Let me leave the premises?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Oh.
Check this out. How about you come lean on this patrol car real quick, okay?
No.
Because you're falling over, okay? And I want you to get out of the car. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Where's your camera?
Camera's
Yo?
right here, and it's rolling.
Really?
Yes.
Where's your camera? Yo?
Yo, it's right here.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Back up.
Ma'am.
No.
Back up.
I'm
Back
done with
up.
this crap.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
No,
Look,
don't
you're
mess
falling
with
into traffic,
me.
okay?
Okay.
Don't mess with me.
Okay.
Don't mess with me.
Okay.
Let me go home.
No, ma'am. Okay, we're trying to, ma'am, you've got a severely cut up hand. Okay, you're bleeding there.
Really? Why?
Ma'am.
Why? Why do I have a severely cut up hand? Why?
That's what we're trying to find out.
Yeah. Maybe it's because of them.
Okay, do me a favor. Ma'am, you're being detained at this time.
I am.
Stop.
Detained of what?
Yeah.
Here, stay right here. Okay, I'm not playing games with you today. I'm not playing games
I'm not
with you
playing
today.
games with anybody.
Okay, you need to calm down, all right?
No.
We're trying to help you out, but you
No,
need to calm
you're
down.
not helping me out. Give me my store, my train.
You want to give her the backpack off first?
Go ahead, get my backpack off.
All right. Stop it. You gotta
You know
stop.
what?
Stop.
Yeah.
You're speeding right now.
Mr.
Stop.
Yeah. Mister, you gonna read me my rights?
Stop it.
Because guess what?
Stop.
You gonna read me my rights? Are you gonna read me my rights?
Ma'am, calm down.
Are you gonna read me my rights? Are you gonna read me my rights?
Stop it.
Are you gonna read me my rights?
Ma'am.
Are you gonna read me my
We
rights?
can read you your rights if that's what makes you
No!
feel better.
You didn't read me my rights!
Okay.
Because guess what? You
Okay.
yeah!
You need to stop, okay?
Oh, stop what?
Okay.
Stop what?
Echo 212. Come on, go put your hands on.
You think you're show? You think it's a show?
Stop it.
Give me my rights!
All right, ma'am, you're here. I'll tell you what, I'm going to read you your rights. Did you wish to have them to you?
Yeah, go ahead!
Okay, you have the right to remain. Anything you say can be used. You have the right to talk to your lawyer. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you questions. And to have him with you during questions.
Down.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will you questions.
He's trying to read you your rights.
If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer, so you also have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Ma'am, do you understand your rights as I've read them to you?
You can use on your rights. Yes or no?
No!
Roger that, then we won't ask any other questions.
Have a seat.
Have a seat? Am
Have
I
a
a
seat.
dog? Am I a dog?
Have a seat, ma'am.
Am I a dog?
What's your head? Wait till he gets in there. You're in there?
Yep. You're coming in. You're coming in.
Pull over some more.
Okay. Sit up, ma'am.
Nope. I ain't gonna tell you freaking.
Give my case camera over.
Hey, yo! Guess what?
See,
No.
we tried to make.
I know who you are.
But you understand.
Yeah, Mark Strawberg. Mark know who you are. And guess what? You are fried.
Okay.
Yeah, you're fried!
Different way.
Yeah! What? So what are you arresting me on? Yo? What?
Tavern reference a customer that's being verbally aggressive when they asked him to leave. Whiskey Mike,
Oh,
pink
shut
cup,
up.
blue
Verbally aggressive. Oh my god.
Tavern, Window 20.
You're so you're so you are idiots. You are idiots.
Echo 210, Echo 214, status check. Copy.
TC4? Oh, what do you think you know your
Flagler Bravo 215, status check.
No! You answer me, God! You answer me! Answer me! You answer me, you son of a... You answer me! You let me out. You let me out! I got you! You wanna let me out?
Ma'am, stop banging your head. She's banging her head in the car. She's banging her head.
You didn't call out that you stopped.
Bravo 211, Flagler. I'll be stopping in front of the First Baptist Church. Female banging her head on the cage.
Let me go out!
Ma'am, stop. Ma'am. Ma'am, stop banging your head.
You!
Stop banging.
No.
Stop banging your head.
No!
Stop.
You let me out! You let me out! Because I'm not a bad person.
You're not a bad person. You're not a bad person.
This man right here? No.
Don't do that.
Stop. Let me out!
You're just gonna get yourself in more trouble.
Really? How? How? Come on, tell me! Tell me! Tell me! I know the laws! I know the laws! What am I being charged with? What am I being charged with? Let me out!
Listen, I am trying to get it where we can take you to the hospital, but you need to calm down.
Really?
Yes. We're gonna go to the hospital right now, but don't start acting up on me again, okay?
Bravo 225, Echo 214, you can cancel.
Hey, Julia.
Hi, Julia.
Wait, Julia. Julia.
Look, I'm right here. I told you I would stay with you. I'm not gonna go back on my word, but I need you to,
Oh, I thought it was a lot.
come out and cooperate.
I want to file a report.
Okay, we can do
No,
that too.
I want to file a report.
That's what
right
Deputy
now.
Tapsy's
no,
doing.
I want to file a report right now
Okay.
We
about
can, but we have
this.
to
Okay, we will.
No, because
Listen.
you. No,
Alright.
I'm
I
not.
will make
How about
sure
this?
that they
I'll
listen
document
to
it for you. I just got here, so.
No.
Good.
Good.
All right.
Alright,
Yeah.
there you
All right.
go.
Can we go sit
Yeah.
down?
I'll,
Okay.
you know what? I don't need a
Now.
wheelchair. No.
You
No.
have to
Will
sit
you walk
down.
in?
Really?
Will you walk in?
Yeah, I'll walk
Okay,
in.
we'll walk. We'll
I'll
walk.
walk because I
We'll
know
walk.
how to walk. God. Hey,
Ma'am.
don't do that.
Not that.
You let me go. What am I being charged with? What am I being charged with? You know what? You know how long I run? You know?